Okej, nu är vi på Island och har kört typ 1,5-2 timmar ner till södra Island och anlänt till Strakta hotell, Norrskensparadiset. Det var en väldigt mörk resa, men vi började i morse. So hello, we're at the hotel here down in Hella. I think it's called Hella, down in the south of Iceland. It took about 2 hours to drive here yesterday on very dark roads, and this hotel wasn't really our. It doesn't really fit our expectations, and it's very off from all the activities we're gonna do. So we're gonna head back to Reykjavik today, all 4 of us: Baby Lily, Molly, Nanny, and the 2 of us, and find another hotel that can fit us all. So let's go. This mountain and we're inside the snow cloud. Just a moment ago there was sunshine. Interesting. Heading for Reykjavik. Okay, so we made it to our new hotel. It's quite a bit of driving, but we're here. The first hotel was not at the location we needed it to be for the adventures we're gonna do. So this is more like in the middle of Reykjavik, and it brings us closer to everything that we're gonna do. So this will be better. So this is going to be the last adventure for today. We're going to the Blue Lagoon, and it's going to be a hot water thing going on in there.